It's great here to be at Sea Asia in Singapore, and our organization has actually its global headquarters here in Singapore. MacGregor is a global company, but we moved in 2017 to Asia because we believe that this is the right place to be, and it's very appropriate to have the Sea Asia. What is a new development that we announced also already last year is our cooperation with CSSC of China. We have many customers in China, but we are tightening our relationship with CSSC. But furthermore, of course, we have a very flourishing organization in Japan and have many long, customers who go back many years in Korea as well. But Asia is really the center of our new build activities. So smart solutions are at the core of our innovation. We build many cargo handling systems, but making them smart really is the added value we can provide as an industry leader. I'll give you two examples. One is an autonomous mooring system for a project in Norway, and that allows basically autonomous shipping. Another one is an autonomous crane, where basically you have no longer the need for a crane driver. We are involved in many of these, leading edge solutions. Autonomous vessels are perhaps a, vision for the far future, but enabling subsystem critical cargo handling systems on board of the ship to be autonomous will basically drive that evolution. The other elements where we are working at has to do with cargo optimization. We see that if you can improve, for example, the cargo carrying load of a vessel, you make the vessels more fuel efficient. We have that with our Cargo Boost solution, where you can add as many as 15% more containers on existing container vessels. And that of course gives the container operator more earnings potential, but it also makes that the greenhouse gas emissions per ton per mile actually goes down. So we like to think what are the real drivers for our customers, and they have to do with efficiency, making them more profitable, and also have to do with emissions, and that's where our innovation is going. So we already talked about digital and smart solutions, and we have really put a lot of effort in that area. We have optimization systems for break bulk, we have optimization systems for ro-ro vessels, and we have optimization systems and solutions for container vessels. That is really what helps to drive the industry. But there are other examples as well. For example, we have a fiber rope subsea crane, and that is the first in the industry. And with that, it's not a digital solution, it's very much a mechanical solution, but I can reduce the weight of a subsea crane substantially, going from steel to fiber rope. And then what we also find very important is renewable energy. We are enabling offshore windmills with our mooring systems. We have developed these mooring systems for offshore oil rigs, but now we're using them for floating windmills. So using that technology we've developed, if you like, in the traditional offshore oil and gas world for renewable energy. So we at Cargotec have two key players in the maritime industry. One is Kalmar, one is MacGregor. Our real focus is to enable intelligent cargo flow, and that is really where we can help basically global trade in that sense. Many billions of euros or dollars are wasted because of inefficiencies in the flow, and digital solutions are helping us in that sense. And that is very important because the whole shipping industry is not as profitable as it can be, and at the same time it's so critically important for global trade. So we'd like us as the maritime industry to benefit from our role, and digital solutions using data to optimize, as I already mentioned, cargo carrying capacity, having information flow from port to ship to port will help doing that. So I believe digital has a lot of positive benefits to bring to the maritime solution, and we at Cargotec, at Kalmar, and of course at MacGregor will be, instrumental in order to make that happen.